Hey guys, it's your boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 456 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we have.
Rare.
With a rare, 50 coins.
Rare.
To another rare, still 50 coins.
Rare.
And a rare of 100 XP doublers isn't too shabby. So for our mode selection today, again the Mega Pig draws ever closer. We also have Brawl Ball 5v5. And again, nothing else too special really going on here though. So, on to the daily item shop. We still have Dread Knight Draco offer. So again, pretty cool skin, but I don't know if I'd really be spending the gems on it at full price or for the other items in there. We have Lavish Lola 50% off. We have Byron the White at 50% off. And we have Bake Sale Barley at 50% off. Again, I should also mention though that these are all epic skins that you could potentially get for free out of Star Drops or just purchase with bling. So it is definitely up to you guys whether or not you decide to spend your gems on these. But we also have a daily freebie of 5 credits as well as 60 XP doublers. And then there's just a resource offer for additional XP doublers. Nothing else really going on today, so as of today I have 1,836 XP doublers and 97,062 power points. So again, let me know if you guys are excited for the upcoming Mega Pig, but other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.